As you're wrapped in this talit, may you feel the weight of all those who came before you, who have received this ancient and holy blessing. May their presence and their values and actions and existence that led to this moment be a blessing for you at this time and forever forward. Yivarechecha Adonai v'yishmerecha. May God bless you and keep you. Ya'er Adonai panav elecha v'yichuneka. May God's Spirit shine in you and through you. Yisa Adonai panav elecha v'yasem lecha shalom. May God be gracious to you and grant you both and all those you touch with the gift of peace. Mazel tov!
Tali would explain it as this. She told me about this about this dream she had. We had both boarded interstellar spaceships. The reason was not entirely clear, but unfortunately we had ended up on different ones. And hers had gotten stranded, and she went to go look for me and was floating for 1,000 light years when I reached out and caught her. And and that's what it's felt like to be together for the last 10 years, and I think